Morning, guys. I'm making oatmeal in here for my husband. Ito na siya. Cook. So, transfer it in the bowl. Supposed to have a milk, but I forgot the milk the other day. Then let's add a sugar. Depends on how sweet you want it. And we usually add butter to taste. And actually, this has um what do you call that? Dried whatever. Then let's add the cinnamon to it. It's up to you how much you want it. Oh, yeah. It's raisins. I boiled the raisins first before I add the oatmeal. Let's add a little bit of sugar. My husband will probably add more sugar to it since it's not too sweet. I don't like it when it's too sweet. I don't like it when it's too salty. Magkaiba kami ng timpla. Right now, I am boiling something for later. Another series of beans. Good for digestion. I like the beans when I'm bloated. I remember to buy gloves at last. So in this side, I'll be making a pepperoni pizza for my youngest. I have warm warm water, lukewarm, and yeast, fast rising yeast. Put it in there in the water. Mix. I don't know how long will it rise in there, water or bubble. So while we wait, I have a cup of measuring cup in here. So let's put 2 cups of flour in a bowl. And let me see. Add Oh, or here. A little bit sugar. And we got the salt. And a little bit of salt. Mix it. Then let's add this water, warm water. Warm water with the yeast. Let's make it mix, mix, mix like this until it dissolves. Bebe, how are you? Making pepperoni pizza, huh? Use our hands. And di pala siya hands, kay isa lang man siya. And let's add a oil. Mix ulit. Let's sprinkle a bit of flour in the pan. So you want thick. I really don't know how to make it. Just made it up. Ganyan lang siya. Find a roller. I don't have a pizza sauce, so I'll just use this spaghetti sauce instead. They're almost the same taste anyway. Bread lang. Your oatmeal's ready. Mwah. Bread na. Mozzarella cheese. I did not get a pizza Yeah, it's fine. Oh, almost done. You still have to eat though, right? You still have to eat first. Ronnie or the monkey. Yeah. Showing your beautiful body in there. That's my youngest, guys. Nakauyab na siya. Nagsapuan pa siya nakauyab. 12 years old. Bataan eh. I know. You're not 12. Ingon ko ba? Ay, abila! Abila! Ingon ko ba? Nakauyab na ka. Sa 12 pa ka. Gipuyab na ning bataan eh. Tawanan pa jud kayo kay. Gihatagan siya Valentine's card ug Valentine's chocolate sa iyong uyab ag siya way gihatag. Sige ako sa ni itakang ha. At katura guys.